Hello and welcome friends to this session. Now today we are going to discuss about our lesson number 5, and in that we are going to learn about bar graph. Data handling is the chapter, and in which last lecture we have discussed what is pictograph. Now we are going to discuss about bar graph. Raw data or the information given to us in the form of observation, and that observations are presented in the form of pictures, that is pictograph. Now this presentation can be given in the other way also, and that is bar graph. So here I am writing some informations related to what the raw data we have and how we can present on the graph. Okay, that is bar graph. Now first of all, if you can see over here that we have the data in the form of year, okay, and admission of number of students. In a school. So first of all, you will find that in the year, particularly which year they have enrolled. Suppose 2003 let it 3-4. The strength was 100. Similarly, 2004-5, the strength will increase and it will become 200, almost double. Similarly, we can go for 2005-2006. Here also some increase in the number of students and it reached to 250. Similarly, for the next academic session, that is 2006-7, okay, it will be 300, okay, and same way you can present 2007-8, that will be around about 350, okay. So this is the data given to you all. Now this raw data you can present in the form of graph. अब ग्राफ के लिए मुझे ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने के लिए स्पेस चाहिए, but I will try to draw it over here with small graphs. Now suppose I am having this much space, I am utilizing a graph paper in which I will draw two perpendicular lines like this, and the intersecting point, which is the intersecting point? 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose I am taking 1 centimeter distance, as एक square जो होता है, clear? Okay, similarly, so 1 centimeter में I will take 100 student, then 200 student, then 300 student. That way also I can take. If I take 50 student, suppose I am taking 50 student, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 students. That way also you can take. So depends upon the data. If it is larger, then you can just increase this number, and if it is in the smaller, highest kitna hai 350, okay. The number of lines we have depends upon that. Then I proceed further for 200, then 250, then 300, then 350 and 400. Clear to you all? Now I need to draw bars. ठीक है, तो bars draw करना है, थोड़ा अच्छे से कर देता हूँ. Okay. So one line छोड़ के बार ग्राफ में अगर डिस्टेंस भी मेन इंपॉर्टेंट है, फर्स्ट 100, सो एक लाइन छोड़ के एक बॉक्स वाला है जो पूरा होता है, दिस आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग एज 100. और इसका ईयर कौन सा लिया था? 2003-4. सो आई कैन मेंशन इट दिस वे, 2003-04. Clear? Any doubt? Suppose then I am taking 2004-5. 4-5 means number of students 200. So I have to keep distance, equal distance between these two bars. This is the width is 1 centimeter, but I have to keep one distance, that will be 200. So the topmost is 200 here. Like this. So 2004, 5. You can just, by looking at this graph, you can give an idea that okay, 2003, 4 there was 100 students, there were 4, 5 there was 200 students. Similarly, taking distance of one difference means distance between these two graphs. Again, a graph bar we are drawing 250. So 250 is something like here. Again, with the same equal distance, and the width of the bar is also same. 1 centimeter box we are taking. 2005, 6. So now, sir, itna mein ho gaya? No, many things still remain to be done on this graph. What are that? What is presented on this? So this line, vertical line and horizontal line. उभी line होय, उभी, इसमें बहुत सारे mistake करते हैं. उभी line होय, सीधो, okay? That is vertical line, and आडो horizontal line. So this vertical line is y-axis, and this horizontal line is x-axis. Clear? सर आपने तो 3 ही किए, भाई मेरे पास जगह नहीं है इसलिए, लेकिन I can proceed further. So similarly you can go for 300 and 350 also by keeping equal distance between the bars. This is an example you can draw in your graph book. Now scale is also required. So on x-axis 1 centimeter, x-axis पर क्या लिया हुआ है? x-axis पर 1 सेंटीमीटर का हम लोग ने लिया हुआ है यहाँ पे 1 ईयर. इसका width जो रखा हुआ है 1 सेंटीमीटर 1 ईयर. ये जो छोड़ा है that is the distance between the bar. We need to keep the distance between the bars, equal distance. पर यहाँ पर एक छोड़ दी, यहाँ पर एक छोड़ा है, फिर यहाँ पे सर 2 छोड़ के फिर बार बना दिया, कभी कभी एक छोड़ के बनाया फिर 2 छोड़ के बनाया. Don't do like that. Equal distance means equality should be maintained between the distance of the bar. Similarly, scale on y-axis. So y-axis, this one we have taken one square box, that is 1 centimeter is equal to how many students? 50 students. So 1 centimeter is equal to 50 students. This थोड़ा ऊपर लिख लेंगे. अभी और चीज बाकी है क्या? What we have presented, ये तो पता नहीं चल रहा सर, देखना है 2006, 7 क्या लिखा है. So we have to just write down here academic year या अकेला years लिख दिया तो भी चलेगा. सर यहाँ पर भी कुछ लिखना पड़ेगा on the y-axis. Yes, my kids, we have to write here also. We have to write here that क्या लिख रहे हैं? क्या what we are taking? Number of students. So number of students. So scale में अच्छा, this is y-axis, number of students 1 centimeter is equal to 50. Clear? Same way. अच्छा, on x-axis, okay, they are taking years. Okay, 1 centimeter 1 box छोड़ा है, width 1 box का लिया हुआ है, that is 1 year. This is 2 year. This is 3 year. So same way you can do it for double bar graph also, and that we will learn in the next lecture. Please subscribe. Hope this is for you only, kids. God bless you all. Thank you.